Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make cooking a little bit easier in Heartopia. So you're going to want to purchase portals from Bob here, and make sure you have like a wall here as well, to the right and to the left of like your cooking station. Maybe choose like a smaller portal. You do have like the option to research the like floor portals. I usually just cook four because if I cook more than that, it's like a huge hassle for me. So we're going to try to cook salad here. I don't know how like fast I might go. Okay. And then you'll be teleported back. I don't know if it makes a huge difference, but I feel like it does make like cooking a little bit easier so that you're able to go back to the like first line. Maybe cook with your friends and try that with this method because I did see somebody use this method and I was like, okay, this is a good way for people to cook together and just make cooking easier a little bit for them. Okay, so if I go here, I just instantly teleport and I'm able to click on the stove again. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!